Welcome to La Parrilla mine, southwestern Spain. You can see in the foreground the excavator mining the ore. And you can see a haul truck that's heading down the short distance to the ramp to the crusher. The area that we're flying over at the moment is the drill and blast area. You can see the drill rig in the foreground, and you'll see the areas where we've buried the explosives awaiting for the blast. So we're just going to follow the ore through the process plant. You see our haul truck heading up the ramp to what we call the ROM pad, which is the run-of-mine ore pad, where we either tip directly into the crusher, or we blend and feed using a ore loader. In the foreground you've got the crusher, and you can see the ore being loaded using a loader into the primary crusher, which then feeds into the secondary crusher that we're flying across now. That is fed up to the screening building, which screens out the oversize and sends them back to further crushing, and the fine material goes directly into the silo, which is our fine ore bin. From the fine ore bin we go directly into the jig. The jig's a critical part of the plant and it's been commissioned. It upgrades the ore by about 40 to 50%. And using the jig, which is immediately below us, you can see in the foreground our LNG gas plant. That's been a very efficient addition to the overall La Parrilla process plant and has significantly reduced our energy costs. So we're just flying down now to the tailings pond, and also the old concentrator, which has been the mainstay of our production of tin and concentrate to date. The tailings dam is lined and built to the highest specifications, and all in accordance with the Euro specifications and requirements. The old concentrator, which we're panning across at the moment, has been used for the primary production of tungsten concentrate from first tailings and more recently ore. So we're just going to pan around from the tailings dam, which is lined and constructed on a very robust basis. So flying across our LNG gas generation plant, low cost power, and then flying across our new concentrator in reverse order, the FME building, which produces the final product, the shaking tables in the middle, and the spirals plant, which is the tall building in the background. You've got the thickeners adjacent to the spirals building, and the mill immediately in the foreground. And we have the operating jig upgrading the La Parrilla ore before being fed into the concentrator.